Thank you for visiting Lichtsinn RV and for the opportunity to unveil for you the all-new Winnebago Minnie Winnie and Spirit 22M, the most nimble RV with a slide-out and walk-around queen bed. Now, atop the safety-enhanced all-new Ford 7.3-liter V8 chassis, available here at Lichtsinn RV, America's closest dealer to Winnebago Industries. We're located only 1 mile north of the Winnebago factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa, and recently named by the manufacturer, Winnebago Industries, as the North American top dealer for sales volume across all of the motorized coach divisions of Winnebago, based right here in Forest City, Iowa, and reaching out across all of North America for that top sales volume award now for the past 6 consecutive years. However, most importantly, be the first to break in and protect your new Ford 7.3 V8 powertrain in accordance with the way Ford Motor Company outlines inside their owner's manuals, in which there certainly is a definitive break-in procedure, in which they recommend, if possible, no towing for the first 1,000 miles, and varying your speeds to break in and seat those cylinders in that new Ford dual-valve 7.3-liter V8, as opposed to the way a delivery driver may and do tow their own personal vehicle out to your local dealership. Be the first to break in and protect that new powertrain, sleep that first night in your walk-around queen bed, and eat that first meal in your U-Lounge. Available here at Lichtsinn RV. Now loaded with many standard features that were previously optional, there is no better way to jump into or continue your RV lifestyle than in the Winnebago Minnie Winnie and its twin, the Winnebago Spirit 22M, both of which are identical all the way down to features, quality, content, price, and colors. We being one of the few full-line dealerships here in North America, and we can provide you that unbiased opinion. The two are identical. Not only are both built to Winnebago's legendary construction that features SuperStructure construction unlike any other RV manufacturers, it is also our most nimble RV to include a slide-out along with a spacious U-Lounge for the perfect gaming area, dining area, or computer workstation. Plus, with sleeping for 6 with 3 dedicated sleeping areas, and pairing that with the solid foundation of the new Ford 7.3-liter V8 chassis and the higher gross vehicle weight rating chassis that provides over 2,200 pounds of occupant and cargo carrying capacity. The Winnebago Minnie Winnie and its identical twin, the Winnebago Spirit, are both built atop the Ford Class C cutaway chassis, the E-Series, marking 58 consecutive years of production for the RV industry. This all-new 2021 model year chassis is built with the new Ford 7.3-liter dual-valve, free-breathing V8. This is the premium-rated engine calibration used by Winnebago Industries, and it is not the optional downgraded economy-based 7.3-liter V8 used by other competing RV manufacturers, which offers 10% less power than this version used by Winnebago Industries. The new 7.3-liter dual-valve V8 engine is 30 pounds lighter and 20% smaller than previous Ford V10s and offers better fuel economy. Now based in its second year of production, the 7.3-liter dual-valve V8, nicknamed Godzilla by auto manufacturer aficionados, boasts 468 pounds-feet of torque or power. It includes 350 horses, mated up to the Ford Torque Shift 6-speed automatic transmission with grade braking capabilities. This configuration allows the coach to operate at lower RPMs while maintaining set speeds, thereby offering better fuel economy. Neutral idle also allows for lower RPMs and better fuel economy. Performance enhancements include the new twin I-beam front suspension for a solid foundation and weight dispersion. The new 2021 model year chassis Ford V8 used by Winnebago Industries also now includes the new safety enhancements, which are included in Ford's Smart Driver Assist technology and are based within every Winnebago Class C Minnie Winnie Spirit and includes the following new safety enhancements. Adaptive cruise control. Adaptive cruise control employs both radar and camera technology to set a cruise speed and distance from the vehicle in front of you, an especially helpful feature in slower traffic conditions. When traffic ahead slows, you automatically slow as well. When it picks back up, you can resume your present speed and distance. Also included in the driver assist technology package is active distance alerts, providing and maintaining the distance to the vehicle ahead of you and adjusts itself based on the movement of the vehicle ahead. Forward collision warning alerts you if it senses a potential collision, displays a flash in the instrument cluster, and increases brake assist sensitivity to provide full responsiveness when you brake. Lane departure warning uses a camera mounted behind the windshield to scan road lane markings and detects an unintended lane departure during the day or evening. When activated, this alerts you in the display and provides audible warnings. Driver alert recognizes repeated lane departures as a sign of fatigue and issues visual and audio alerts that it's time to pull over and take a break. Automatic emergency braking. Automatic emergency braking provides an audio alert, displays in the instrument cluster, and pre-charges and increases brake assist sensitivity to provide full responsiveness when you brake. Post-impact braking. Post-impact braking can potentially lessen the severity of a secondary collision by automatically applying moderate brake pressure when an initial collision event is detected. ESC, or electronic stability control, senses when you begin to lose traction and automatically applies selective braking to help prevent your vehicle from sliding or skidding. Traction control applies selective braking to keep your wheels from excessively spinning and helps maintain traction. Hill Start Assist activates the anti-lock brakes for up to 2 seconds as you transition your foot from the brake to the accelerator pedal. Also included by Winnebago Industries within the Ford Class C cutaway platforms are tire pressure monitoring, automatic headlamp activation and automatic high beam control, driver monitoring, remote keyless entry, and an airbag cutoff on the passenger side. Safety enhancements also include 3-point safety belts as well as dual front airbags. We'll also touch on, as we walk through the inside of the Winnebago Minnie Winnie and Spirit, the all-new Sony 8.95-inch infotainment radio that does include color rear-view camera monitoring and then ties in nicely with the side video camera monitoring, as well as light-duty automotive car and truck amenities such as SiriusXM satellite radio ready, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth hands-free calling, Bluetooth music replay, and also voice-activated GPS commands through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and the Sony infotainment radio comes with a 3-year warranty. The Ford Motor Company warranty provides a complete extended powertrain warranty for 5 years or 60,000 miles, whichever occurs first, and a complete bumper-to-bumper warranty for 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever occurs first. The new Ford 7.3-liter dual-valve, free-breathing V8 is a premium-rated engine calibration and not the optional downgraded economy 7.3-liter V8 used by other competing manufacturers, offering 10% less power than this particular version that Winnebago uses. This new V8 engine is 30 pounds lighter and 20% smaller than previous V10s and will offer better fuel economy. It boasts 468 pounds-feet of torque or power and is mated up with Ford's Torque Shift 6-speed automatic transmission. Up top here you'll see the integrated stylish aerodynamic front molded cap, which does not change the overhead additional sleeping dimensions inside that will cover at 57 by 95 inches. You can see the high polished Ford chrome grille up front along with the side chrome mirrors. Again, the coach does then also include the automatic headlamp activation. Again, this is on the upgraded 12,500 pound gross vehicle weight rating chassis. So this coach includes 2,246 pounds of occupant and cargo carrying capacity, from which then you would reduce only for any occupants, any cargo or stuff that you may bring along, and then any freshwater that you may travel with in transit. You can see the deeper, darker tint of the dual pane thermal insulated windows, which is a factory installed upgrade that we do place on all of our Winnebago Minnie Winnie and Spirits. You can see the side hung window for fresh air ventilation and the overhead cab sleeping surface. We also include light duty automotive conveniences such as powered mirrors with defrost. This coach also includes the side video camera monitoring system that ties in nicely with the new Sony 8.95-inch infotainment radio with color rear view camera monitoring system. So a dedicated security camera level of 3 total cameras, although the side video camera monitoring system is activated directly off of the turn signal indicators. Down below, you'll see 16-inch wheels with stainless steel wheel liners, which was previously part of the convenience package and now made standard. You can then also see the convenience of the integrated running boards on each side of the cockpit, each side of which then is blanketing the new I-beam suspension for a solid foundation and weight dispersion from Ford Motor Company, along with all of the exposed bare metal. Here at Winnebago Industries, we do use the multi-stage full immersion electrocoating e-coat system, which after undergoing a multi-million-dollar infrastructure upgrade at Winnebago Industries, this leading process by automotive manufacturers includes charging each plate to an electrical charge, which attracts the protective coating, causing it to be plated onto the part, which results in a uniform thickness of protective coating. Here you'll see the Cummins Onan 4,000 watt micro quiet gasoline generator that efficiently sips fuel off of the top 3/4 of the 55-gallon fuel capacity. Just behind here you'll see the 18-gallon LP capacity with the LP manifold system. Again, all of this exposed bare metal and the chassis rails being e-coated after a multi-million-dollar, $7 million upgrade to this automotive style manufacturing process. Just above here you'll see the exhausting for the 6-gallon electric spark ignition LP water heater, the innovative black tank flush in which you can then irrigate out your black tank after draining the 40 gallons using a non-potable water hose. Just to the side of that, you'll see coaxial inputs for resort cable or for portable satellite connectivity. Off to the right, then you'll see the fuel fill for the 55-gallon fuel capacity, as well as the dedicated freshwater input. The coach maintains 46 gallons of freshwater capacity in transit or when RVing off the grid. And you can see the dedicated tank fill off to the right of the city water input. Down below then you'll see the access for the 30 amp electrical shoreline service, which is sized just like the Cummins Onan 4,000 watt micro quiet gasoline generator to power all of the appliances inside the Minnie Winnie and Spirit without tripping a breaker. Simultaneously, you can power everything without tripping a breaker. Down below you'll also see the black and gray tank waste drainage system. The coach maintains 45 cubic feet of basement and exterior storage to carry all of your gear. You can see each of these compartments as well as each of the rotocast tanks are manufactured in-house by Winnebago Industries, in which 70% of the components are made in-house versus outsourcing. Each of these rotocast tanks then allows us to maximize holding tank and luggage compartment capacity, but they are seamless, so absolutely no seams for risking any potential leaks, as opposed to other RV manufacturers that purchase those tanks from third-party manufacturers down the road. Here you'll see the drainage for the 40-gallon black tank. You can then irrigate that out using the black tank flush and complete your drainage with the 45-gallon gray tank capacity, with a dedicated location just behind the rear wall there for your integrated sewer hose. Now, as we elevate back out, we've ordered this coach factory fresh in the champagne with chestnut beige accents. This provides the appearance and durability of an automotive base coat clear coat finish, yet it saves nearly a $9,200 investment that, based on our years of experience, does not necessarily flow through to resale value. Here you can see with the slide out to the rear master bedroom, it provides for the walk around queen bed. Standard is the slide room awning, and then also the latest in slide out technology with the Power Gear slim racks. Each of these sidewalls are actually made then with the RV composite panels from Asdel. The benefits of Asdel onboard composite panels over typical Luan plywood, still being used in some RV manufacturers, ensures no delamination when used to specifications. It's half the weight, which leads to improved fuel efficiency. It's not affected by freezing and warming cycles, includes no formaldehyde, toxic chemicals, or materials. It provides twice the insulation value, a better sound barrier, and no deforestation occurs during production. We'll jump up atop the one-piece fiberglass roof here in a moment, showcasing here the integrated rear view camera monitoring system and the deeper, darker tint of the dual-pane thermo-insulated windows. Keep in mind, this does include the steel SuperStructure components from Winnebago Industries, which includes appliances and cabinets being mounted to steel infrastructure in the sidewalls, the steel firewall protecting the engine from the passenger components from Ford Motor Company, and then also the interlocking joints that evenly distribute the weight of the roof along the entire span. So strong that literally we could build an empty shell because it doesn't require internal floor plan walls for reinforcement. You can see standard is the exterior ladder. Down below, an automotive style bumper that includes a dedicated storage location for your drainage hose. And then underneath, a 7,500 pound factory installed tow package. Again, e-coated in the latest in e-coat technology. Also down below, we do include the spare tire, which is a factory installed option. You can see the housing for that is also e-coated and plated in the latest in e-coat technology. Then also down below, we include all of the components that are needed for tire pressure monitoring with the new Ford 7.3 liter V8 chassis. And now as we zoom back, we're going to elevate up to showcase all of the quality components atop Winnebago's patented SuperStructure construction and the one-piece fiberglass membrane atop that one-piece laminate block foam roof. So as opposed to other RV manufacturers that use batt stuffing between potentially wooden trusses that will sag over time, this is a one-piece laminate block foam roof to evenly disperse the weight across the entire roof so that you can stand and do maintenance on any of these seals. This does come back then with a 10-year warranty. Working our way from the rear to the front, you'll see the exterior ladder that provides safe access to this one-piece fiberglass roof, the skylight for the oversized 23 by 34 inch shower, each of the vents and 12-volt powered ventilator fans, the exhausting for the gas and electric refrigerator. Mid-coach then is the high-efficiency Coleman Mach 15,000 BTU high-efficiency ducted air conditioning system. Off to the right there, the omnidirectional local off-air high-definition antenna that allows you to bring all of your entire free local off-air high-definition programming from inside the RV. Since it is a fixed-mast antenna, you no longer have to worry about cranking up an antenna, but more importantly, forgetting to crank it back down. You'll also see the cup antenna for the Sirius XM satellite radio upgrade, which is a factory-installed option on this 22M. The vent for the overhead cab sleeping area, and then also the connectivity port that allows us to bring in any connectivity enhancements such as cellular or Wi-Fi boosting. Be sure to check out in our video library on Lichtsinn.com several archived live interactive presentations in which we take your questions live monthly, in which we walk you through cellular and Wi-Fi boosting options to maintain connectivity in your RV lifestyle. Also, be sure to check out on our parts page on Lichtsinn.com an interactive multimedia connectivity enhancement tool that walks you through cellular and Wi-Fi boosters. Also, be sure to check out on our parts page an interactive multimedia satellite TV antenna finder tool. So if you're looking for Dish or Direct TV, we can equip that for you as well. We have several live interactive presentation archives in our video library on satellite RV 101 connectivity. And now as we wrap up atop this one-piece fiberglass roof, let's cover the specifications to this Minnie Winnie and Spirit. The coach is 24 feet 5 inches long tip to tip. It is a wide body at 8.5 feet, and it features an exterior height of 10 feet 11 inches. And now as we work our way back towards ground level, you can see the expansive nature of that 14-foot powered patio awning. We'll cover that in more detail here in a moment. Again, 45 cubic feet of basement and exterior storage. You can see the higher luster with the Asdel onboard RV composite fiberglass sidewalls, again with that infused champagne appearance with the chestnut beige accents. This provides the appearance and durability of a full body base coat clear coat finish, yet it alleviates that $9,200 upcharge, which, as we know based on our years of experience, does not necessarily flow through to resale value. You can see the dual rear wheels with integrated tire pressure monitoring, the exhausting for the 20,000 BTU low profile ducted furnace, coaxial outputs here towards your exterior for connecting an exterior TV or satellite receiver, 110 volt outlets for convenient patio access for your household appliances, additional storage down below, again all handcrafted here by Winnebago in Forest City here at the factory, which provides maximum capacity but also ensures no seamless splits like other RV manufacturers. Off to the right then, a lower threshold alleviates the need for an electrical entry step. A screen door provides great fresh air ventilation. And then up top here, a nice shot here of the expansive depth to that 14-foot powered patio awning that does include independent LED lighting. It does include the weather guard up top, and we can pitch one side of this, so if you like one side to naturally drop down slightly lower for wonderful sunset views, or for nominal rain or morning dew to run off away from your electric patio awning components that then drive away from the entry door and access to the inside of the Minnie Winnie and Spirit 22M. Of course, throughout the RV, we use LED lighting, which is 70% more energy efficient compared to normal incandescent or halogen lighting. And now as we work our way inside the 22M floor plan, we'll cover one sweeping shot of this floor plan, and then we'll cover things in more detail. We've ordered this coach factory fresh in the all-new linen interior. And with its soft goods collection, the medium gray ultra fabrics, paired up with contemporary glazed driftwood cabinetry with an 80+ sheen level. All of this cabinetry is handcrafted here in Forest City by Winnebago, which allows us to maximize interior storage, but then also minimize tolerances in fit and finish compared to other competing RV manufacturers that will go down and purchase their cabinets from a third-party supplier. So using that computer-aided design, we can maximize interior storage and minimize tolerances in fit and finish, which long-term will minimize squeaks and rattles compared to competing RV manufacturers. Inside the coach, we include solid surface countertops in the large expansive kitchen and galley area, a large U-shaped dinette opposite that, a large pantry and additional wardrobe closet, an oversized bath and one with privacy to the front living area, a walk-around queen bed to the rear, integrated into the slide-out with a beautiful rear expansive picture window, side windows inside the slide-out for maximum fresh air ventilation, a large wardrobe closet, and then working our way forward, a large U-shaped dinette that includes 3 dedicated safety belts, converts to a sleeping surface, but is a great oversized gaming area, dining area, or computer workstation. Additional sleeping or storage is available up top with the overhead cab bed. The all-new integrated dash with the new Ford V8 chassis. Running front to rear, there is no carpet in the RV, so you can literally Swiffer this coach out in a matter of seconds with the upgraded one-piece sheet of upgraded Beauflor vinyl flooring. Here at Winnebago Industries, each of the cabinets and walls are set atop that one-piece sheet of vinyl flooring to ensure no risk of splits. Unlike other RV manufacturers, which continue to try to save pennies and nickels by seaming in lesser quality components. And now we'll cover each of the main living areas in more detail. An interior ceiling height is 6 feet 10 inches. Inside the driver's side area here, a large U-shaped dinette, which does include storage underneath. It does include a 360-degree rotating thermofoiled countertop, high-endurance countertop. Overhead, a full bank of contemporary driftwood cabinetry, again with that 80-plus sheen level, contemporary satin nickel hardware, LED recessed lighting, which again is cooler to the touch and is 70% more energy efficient compared to normal incandescent and halogen lighting. Inside then we also have the MCD American roller shade system, providing privacy over the dual pane thermal insulated windows with a deeper, darker tint. These are true proprietary MCD branded shades that revolutionized the RV industry in 2010. These are not knockoff slow rise blinds like competing manufacturers use. They very simply glide up with a gentle tug. We can adjust the speed at which they glide up, and we can also set a preset set height so that if you'd like to travel with them recessed to one location, we can certainly accommodate that for you as well. The beauty of this large U-shaped dinette is that it provides an oversized dining area, computer workstation, and gaming area. With that 360-degree rotating table, it provides dual chase loungers to be able to see the high-definition television. It includes storage underneath, 3 dedicated safety belts in transit, and conveniently converts to the first of 3 dedicated sleeping surfaces at 45 by 74 inches. Again, this high-endurance synthetic leather provides weather temperative climates, meaning not so hot in the summer and not so cold during the winter, but it's also synthetic in nature, so you can be fairly aggressive in cleaning this material. Just above here, you'll see the thermostat for the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system for the 15,000 BTU high-efficiency Coleman Mach ducted air conditioning system, as well as the 20,000 BTU low-profile ducted furnace. Just opposite this wall then is the pantry and also the backside of the wardrobe closet inside the master bedroom. Overhead, the upgraded vinyl padded ceiling then provides the surround for the cold air intake for that 15,000 BTU high-efficiency ducted air conditioning system. This removable filter can very simply be cleaned out for maintenance. Again, a 6 feet 10 inch interior ceiling height. Now inside the kitchen or galley area, the high luster DuPont Corian solid surface countertops provide great durability and a luxurious residential feel. We continue with the dual pane thermal insulated side hung windows, a full bank of overhead driftwood cabinetry with the 80+ sheen level. Great storage capacities here inside the kitchen and galley area. You can see the input up top to the right there for this large over-the-range microwave. It does also include a direct vented range hood that vents to the outside of the coach, and it includes integrated recessed lighting. Of course, we include all of the accessories needed with the rotisserie plate for this large over-the-range microwave with the integrated direct vented range hood underneath, directly out towards that patio sidewall. All of your gauges in one easy to access location off to the right that we'll showcase here in a moment. And then down below, an innovative 3-burner range top with an accordion-style glass cooktop that maximizes interior countertop space, but also provides an easy-to-clean backsplash. Down below, then, we also include the integrated LP oven. Down below, then, again, using computer-aided design, taking advantage of that computer-aided design, it allows us to maximize storage and include that pot and pan drawer down below, taking advantage of that computer-aided design, placing storage anywhere that we can. Again, all of these include full-length metal drawer glides with metal extensions, unlike competing RV manufacturers that continue to use plastic drawer glides not built for travel and transit or the long performance of your RV. A large drop-in dual basin stainless steel sink includes a contemporary high-rise gooseneck style faucet with a pull-out sink sprayer for easy maintenance and easy cleaning. A full drawer stack is made possible down below then, again, all of which include full-length extensions with metal drawer glides. Great storage underneath the sink area also then provides the location for your waste paper basket. You can see each of the television and radio remotes that come equipped with the coach. Inside the stepwell, an easy-to-access entry handle for ease of access to the coach. Here you'll find controls for that 14-foot powered patio awning, as well as the independent LED lighting and the auxiliary coach battery disconnect switch, which allows you to then place the dual Group 24 RV batteries in storage to ensure no parasitic draws. Those dual Group 24 RV batteries then are recharged anytime the coach is in transit, when you're plugged in, or when running the Cummins Onan 4,000 watt micro quiet gasoline generator. We can also equip any type of a custom solar package to recharge those dual Group 24 RV batteries using our master RVDA RVIA certified technicians. Here is the one place panel with all of your gauges in one easy to access location. Working our way from top down, you'll see controls for the 1,000 watt pure sine wave inverter. This allows us to run household appliances directly off of those dual Group 24 RV batteries. So therefore, you don't have to run your generator. Controls for the heated drainage system, which include a warming pad underneath each the black and the gray tanks. Controls for the 6-gallon electronic ignition LP water heater and the 12-volt on-demand water pump. And then readouts for your house batteries, but then also the true level holding tank monitoring system, in which Winnebago invests in sonar sensors on the outsides of those one-piece rotocast seamless holding tanks, as opposed to drilling through like other RV manufacturers, continuing to use probes, which long-term can provide false readings or corrode over time. Matching the hardwood inserts from the driftwood pallets, you'll see inserts for this oversized double-door refrigerator that is both gas and electric. And as we take a look at the adjustable bins and shelves, we'll also cover one set of specifications. Again, this coach includes 2,246 pounds of occupant and cargo carrying capacity. It's 24 feet 5 inches in length tip to tip. It is a wide body at 8.5 feet and 10 feet 11 inches tall to the most standard feature atop the roof of the RV. Down below, you'll see the inputs for the 20,000 BTU low-profile ducted furnace for the cold air intake. Additional storage down below, then off to the right of that location. Again, additional storage to the right of the cold air intake for that furnace, taking advantage of computer-aided design and placing storage anywhere that Winnebago can for you, our guests. Of course, with each of these components, including the furnace and other appliances, take advantage of our award-winning educational orientation, which is a half-day, one-on-one educational orientation with our master RVDA, RVIA certified technicians to literally show you every switch, every feature, what to do, what not to do, covering maintenance and warranty, all of which is included in pricing here from Lichtsinn RV and is no cost to you. Here you'll see the 12-volt on-demand water pump as well as the winterization kit for winterizing the coach. Again, color-coded lines and PEX tubing, all of which is seamless. All of which includes Winnebago's vertical integration, building all of these components in-house, each of which are labeled and easy to provide maintenance and service long-term. Just above this 12-volt on-demand water pump switch, just to the left of the large U-lounge, you'll also see then the pantry conveniently located right around the corner from your U-shaped dinette area, but also from the kitchen and galley area. Here you'll see privacy access then for the master bedroom, which includes the walk-around queen bed. This includes a queen bed with a foam mattress, the headboard and mattress cover, decorative window valances over the dual pane thermal insulated windows. LED lighting continues in the vinyl ceiling with the vent lid in the rear for the master bedroom. Just above this walk-around queen bed is a full bank of contemporary driftwood cabinets. Again, all of which is manufactured here in Forest City by Winnebago Industries. Standard is this 24-inch high-definition television, again, taking advantage of computer-aided design, providing it in an area that doesn't sacrifice any space. This is right out towards your patio area and just adjacent to that beautiful rear picture exit window, which is hinged, can provide fresh air ventilation. It doesn't break the seal, and it can be reused in and out on the hinged glass. Side windows inside this walk-around queen bed slide-out area provide great fresh air ventilation on each side with the top-bottom hung windows. Again, these are the dual-pane thermal insulated windows, so they won't condensate in high humidity climates and provide better insulative and sound barriers. A wonderful firm foam mattress is included. This is a 60 by 75 inch queen bed, so the second of 3 dedicated sleeping surfaces. You'll see the nightstand off to the sides, and then convenient 110 volt outlets. Keeping in mind we do have the 1000 watt pure sine wave inverter, which is designed to power your entertainment system and select outlets throughout the RV directly off of the dual deep cycle Group 24 RV batteries. Here you'll see controls for the latest in Power Gear Slim Rack slide out technology. So these certainly are not Schwintek slides. These are the Power Gear Slim Rack system, top and bottom. A large expansive wardrobe closet is included in this 22M floor plan in a nimble on-the-go length, but provides vast cavernous storage here inside this wardrobe closet. You'll see many of the accessories that ship with the RV throughout dedicated storage areas as we work through the master bedroom area. Then also down below you'll see drawer access for foldable clothing. And then on that nightstand area, 110 volt outlets and USB and 12 volt power points. A nice location here underneath then if you do use a CPAP or BPAP machine, with the thermofoiled countertop for the nightstand, also just adjacent towards the forward side of that walk-around queen bed. Here you'll see the 110 volt duplex, the 12 volt power points, and the USB charge points for recharging your smartphones or tablets. Continuing on with that one-piece sheet of upgraded vinyl flooring, here is your converter charger. This is actually what charges those dual deep cycle Group 24 RV batteries, but also includes your breaker panel for your 110 volt electrical appliances, but then also the 12 volt breakers off to the right. So this charges your house batteries off of the Shoreline service or off of running that Cummins Onan 4,000 watt micro quiet gasoline generator. A dual hinge door provides privacy for this oversized bath in one. Of course, many of the accessories that other RV manufacturers go out and force you to purchase are included by Winnebago Industries. Inside this oversized bath in one, we include a 23 by 34 inch oversized shower with a 12 volt powered ventilator fan overhead to remove humidity. Inside that shower then is an overhead skylight that you saw as we were up atop the one-piece fiberglass laminate block foam roof. That skylight provides for beautiful indirect lighting, but also additional height clearance for taller guests. A flexible handheld shower head allows you to start and stop the water both on the head as well as on the faucet to conserve water if you're RVing off of the grid, although the coach does boast 46 gallons of freshwater capacity. A one-piece pan and a one-piece surround inside the shower provides for easy maintenance and easy cleaning. And then of course it includes the disappearing anti-mold, anti-fungal disappearing shower door that literally squeegees the water off as you recess that door. People rave about this door because it provides ease of maintenance and cleaning. A convenient 110 volt outlet is located inside the oversized bath in one for lavatory appliances. A thermofoiled countertop is included with a drop-in, easy-to-clean acrylic sink and a dual-control lavatory faucet. A mirrored area is included just to the left of that 110 volt outlet, and then again, dropped into that thermofoiled countertop is that easy-to-clean acrylic sink with a dual-control lavatory faucet. Just above the tissue dispenser, then underneath the countertop, is an additional 12 volt on-demand water pump switch, so that if you do use the facilities and forget to turn on the water pump, you can still wash your hands. Down below, of course, we haven't forgotten the location for the second waste paper basket. A modified elongated bowl is provided atop this residential height style toilet, which does include a foot pedal flush. Again, then also the accessories that are included include the tissue holders, robe hooks, and towel bars. Additional linen and medicine cabinet storage is included. Again, taking advantage of computer-aided design in this diagonal area at the 45 degree, we place that cabinet, which provides additional storage. You can then see the bound by the W hook just behind this door. A rich faux style colored contemporary wallboard is included throughout the RV, not having seamed in less expensive materials like other RV manufacturers, which try to save nickels and dimes by using less expensive materials behind closets and in certain bathroom areas. Up top then here, as we work our way back through into the aerodynamic front molded top hat for the coach, we include the third of 3 dedicated sleeping surfaces with an additional vent, and then also fresh air ventilation off of the vented area here, and then off to the left you'll see the additional ducts for the 15,000 BTU Coleman Mach high efficiency air conditioning system. We continue with the upgraded vinyl padded ceiling. Also inside here, on an articulating mount so that it can be used from multiple viewing angles, is where you'll see this 32-inch high-definition television that does then also include a Sony DVD player off to the right. When pivoted to this patio side sidewall, it locks into place. It can be used for viewing in this overhead cab bed or from the oversized U-shaped dinette and U-lounge. This is a 57 by 95 inch sleeping surface, which can also be used as storage if you don't have a need for that sleeping. You can see the bunk ladder is included along with the privacy curtain. A side hung window is included on the driver's side for great fresh air ventilation, especially in conjunction with the screen walk-in door and then also the overhead vent. We trim this out then with the driftwood cabinetry to match the rest of the pallet collection. Again, this is the all-new linen interior with medium gray ultra fabrics and the driftwood cabinetry. Sliding over then just above this Sony DVD player, you'll see additional storage with a netted area so things aren't going to jump out in transit. Standard is the 32-inch high-definition television on that pivoting articulating mount, but then also this Sony HDMI-enabled DVD player. Great storage and great sleeping area just above this all-new redesigned Ford Cockpit with the new 7.3-liter V8 chassis. You can see the contoured trimline console that provides ease of access in and out. Light-duty automotive conveniences are included, including tilt and telescoping steering, along with steering wheel controls for the Ford instrumentation cluster, as well as the safety enhancements such as adaptive cruise control and active distance monitoring alerts. We include powered door locks, powered windows, powered mirrors and defrost, and again this tilt and telescoping steering column. You can see controls off to the left for the instrumentation cluster, as well as the adaptive cruise control, which employs both radar and camera technology to set a cruise speed and distance from the vehicle in front of you. An especially helpful feature in slower traffic conditions. You can see the all-new Ford instrumentation cluster controlled with the thumb wheel controls, which allows you to configure favorites on your custom viewing screens. Factory fresh, you can see this coach has 19 miles on it, all of which are miles from Winnebago Industries in its test facility. This allows you to break in the coach in the way Ford Motor Company outlines. Here's also where you can see different configurations for your gauge views, including a digital speedometer to precisely know your speed, engine diagnostics, and then all of the settings for the safety enhancements with the new Ford 7.3-liter V8, including the adaptive cruise control, pre-collision alerts, lane keep system. And with an all-new anti-glare, easy-to-read instrumentation cluster integrated into the new Ford 7.3-liter V8 chassis. And now sliding over, you'll see controls for the 6-speed automatic transmission, which does include grade braking capabilities. This is Winnebago's proprietary battery boost switch, so if your Ford chassis battery is low, you can momentarily press that button and tie that into the dual Group 24 RV batteries to start the vehicle. Complete heating, ventilation, and air conditioning controls are included, along with USB-A and USB-C inputs just to the right underneath the hazard button, as well as the lane keep button. Off to the right of that then is the ability to turn off the traction control to enable posi traction if you're in winter conditions or loose soil or loose terrain. 12-volt power points, an additional USB-A outlet, the ability to turn off the passenger airbag if you are traveling without the need for that. And then just above here is the new Sony 8.95-inch infotainment radio with the factory installed upgrade of Sirius XM satellite radio. It includes the rear view camera monitoring system along with the side video camera monitoring system. You can travel in transit, monitoring anything behind you, even at highway speeds. Again, the Sirius XM satellite radio, this radio is Sirius XM ready, but then furthermore, the cup antenna and the receiver is up top. It includes the ability to use Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It includes Bluetooth hands-free calling, Bluetooth music, and GPS commands through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. For voice guidance in Google Maps or Apple Maps. And this Sony 8.9 5-inch infotainment radio comes back with an extended 3-year warranty. And to the rear of this then also is the ability to change the angle of this, although it is embedded as an anti-glare capacitive touchscreen monitor. You can see all of the storage and cup holder access in that trimline contoured console, which is intentionally cut out down below for easier access in and out with your legs and knee areas. Off to the right then, a glove box along with the dual front airbags, additional storage up top. Continuing on with the powered door locks and powered windows. And as we swivel around, we'll cover one last sweeping shot, as I want to take this opportunity to thank you for visiting Lichtsinn RV and for the opportunity to showcase for you the all-new Winnebago Minnie Winnie and Spirit 22M, available now atop the safety-enhanced Ford 7.3-liter V8. This is the most nimble RV with a slide-out that sleeps 6 people, and it's available here at Lichtsinn RV, America's closest dealer to Winnebago Industries. We're located only 1 mile north of the Winnebago factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa, and recently named by the manufacturer Winnebago Industries as the North American top dealer for sales volume across all of the motorized coach divisions of Winnebago, based right here in Forest City, Iowa, but reaching out across all of North America for that top sales volume award now for the past 6 consecutive years. However, most importantly, be the first to break in and protect your new Ford powertrain in accordance with the way Ford Motor Company outlines inside their owner's manuals, in which there certainly is a definitive break-in procedure, in which they recommend, if possible, no towing for the first 1,000 miles, and varying your speeds to break in and seat those cylinders in that new Ford 7.3-liter V8, as opposed to the way a delivery driver may and do tow their own personal vehicle out to your local dealership. Be the first to break in and protect that new powertrain, sleep that first night in your walk-around queen bed, and eat that first meal in your U-shaped dinette, available here at Lichtsinn RV. Thank you for visiting Lichtsinn RV here in Forest City, Iowa, the home of Winnebago Industries. I'm Ron Lichtsinn, and I want to thank you for visiting our dealership here in Forest City, Iowa. Here are some great points from the Lichtsinn RV team as to points unrelated to price why you should experience the best here at Lichtsinn RV.
New motorhomes from Lichtsinn RV have no delivery miles on them. We do not use delivery services like other dealers in which drivers live in the RV during transportation or tow their own personal vehicle during the crucial engine break-in period.
There are no additional fees with purchasing in the state of Iowa, as the customer will pay their tax, title, and license in which the state that they register their RV. However, we do help in assisting titling your RV in your home state. As you can see, we help people day in and day out all over the United States and Canada with titling their motorhome.
Due to our close proximity to Winnebago factory, we're able to take advantage of cost savings over other RV dealerships. This allows us to provide you with low, no-hassle pricing.
We offer free, thorough walkarounds with our guests at the time of delivery, where we take as much time as needed for our guests to understand every function, maintenance, and warranty item of their RV. Many dealers charge a significant sum to provide this service.
Here at Lichtsinn RV, we provide our guests the opportunity to stay on our lot while enjoying free access to Wi-Fi, filtered fresh water, and electrical hookups, whether they're here to take delivery of their new RV or just passing through for service.
We work with several different lenders in order to secure you the most competitive rates and terms. We also offer insurance from several different insurance carriers such as Progressive and Nationwide.
Purchase and service your RV and experience the best at Lichtsinn RV, the nation's closest dealer to Winnebago Industries, based right here in Forest City, Iowa.